welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the Christmas time here. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas and soon Happy New Year. We are looking now for Alo, a cute corgi that somehow is missing. I'm gonna walk the streets and look left and right, but you know what? Let me double check this little area here. Maybe she's sleeping here. Do we see a fat loaf? Nope, not here. Okay guys, let's hope we find it on the way. I gotta walk anyways, so let's do something good and find a missing dog. A cute, chunky corgi. Maybe she's somewhere here. What is that? Huh. Got some vegetables here. No chunky corgi here. Maybe she has a date with another dog. This is not the corgi, it's another dog. Another neighborhood dog. We are right now in the An Thuong 38th Street. Lots of new places here. I think this is also getting renovated here. We're gonna look in every single corner here. Look at the pavement report. Mangelhaft. Let's check out what's going on here. This is also the weather today. Now it's dry. Yesterday, 25th, it rained non-stop and I didn't want to walk out. It was too much rain. They're still working here even though it's raining. Where is Alo? She's probably eating somewhere. Oh, look at this. This is brand new here. Mystic Craft Shop. Hello! Lots of interesting little shops are here. Vintage jewelry stores. There's so many of them. And then this here, vintage clothing shop and gifts shop. So for all my ladies out here. Or for the wives. Since I think the majority of my viewers are men, you can send up your wife here. Or if you like thrifting. Okay, so I don't see a dog yet, but we will walk zigzag around and hopefully see it. So this is also the Gyosachi barbecue. It's a Japanese barbecue buffet. The only problem I have there is you pay $399 for the most expensive barbecue, which is a very good price, but then you eat too much and then you feel bad. Not the best thing. So I still like, for my Korean barbecue, I like to go to Golden Meat House or something like that. I'd rather have a little bit less meat, like 300-400 grams, which is already a lot, but that's enough. That's enough. And then you feel good afterwards. But yeah, this looks very pretty. I think this is gonna be a nice place. Izakaya and sushi. We are missing a little bit of very high-end sushi. Like very, very well prepared and delicious sushi we're missing. I should walk to the left and left again and check out the little side streets for Alo. And I will take you with me. Pavement report. That's okay. You can walk around here. You found it? No, I'm searching too now.
Okay, thank you.
I will walk this street here. Okay. All right. Roman is also searching. He's the boyfriend of Tao, and Tao's dog is lost. We look in every single corner. Maybe she had some chicken and now she's resting somewhere. She's very cute and fluffy. So lots of people probably want to pet her. Maybe she's used to, is hanging around somewhere. We will find out. Now you will also see a little bit deeper into the streets here. A massage place. And this is a brunch spot here, German sausage. And pub. Huh, hello, hi. There's also a very hidden coffee shop here. But yeah, let's check out this little park here. Maybe she hangs out here. It's so calm here. David and I just talked about how calm this area is because of this park. But yeah, all those buildings, there's so many single houses there. There's no one big block or something. There are 2 blocks and I don't know what they're doing with that. It does not seem like it's someone is living there. And this is also a very interesting way of planting a tree. No, it's not. So it's inside. But why is it around it? Can someone explain? Hast du gefunden?
Ja, ja, hab ich gefunden.
Okay.
Das gibt's nicht. Ich suche eine Zuckerschnute und find den Superstar.
So many Germans out here, but we have to find Alo. I'm actually gonna take a look here. This area here. I don't know why there's so much trash here. What is that even? But yeah. I don't know. You can go out here. What are they building here? Huh. Guys, what are you thinking? What are they planting here? Do you think this is banana trees? And what is that? I never looked out from this perspective here. But yeah, we're gonna go back to the street and look further. So this whole neighborhood is very nice to live in. Lots of apartments, lots of coffee shops, and soon also more restaurants. He's still looking. I'm looking too.
Yeah, still searching.
Dude, what the fuck?
She's
What?
somewhere. Maybe.
She's too fat to walk far.
Yeah, but maybe she followed somebody, or I don't know.
Huh.
The only thing is that somebody picked her up, like on a scooter or something.
Yeah, hopefully not, man.
Uh,
Okay, I keep an eye on it. I think everyone who was at the... Oh, did you find her? Okay, he's walking there and I'm gonna walk here. Sometimes you also have to look into these things here. Alo! I didn't see the woman there. But it's interesting what they're doing here with this park. I like it. I like that they're planting things here. This is usually used for burning paper, things like that. Shout out to Danny. He lived here in this building one time. 2 years ago? D25, I can remember that. So much construction here. And I think it will not stop because this building looks also like they need to do something big with it. Or completely remove it. But they're building a lot here in the street. And the majority is apartment buildings, to be honest. And downstairs is usually either way parking or some kind of shop. That's pretty bad. Sometimes they even burn these things here. I don't know if they're gonna burn this or not. But yeah, this could be such a beautiful park if they would take care of it. But I don't think there's anyone in charge of this park. I guess you need to have some kind of business on it to make it nice and neat. So I'm gonna go walk to the left and left again and then check out the streets. Sometimes Alo walks all the way to the left. Maybe she has a secret boyfriend, you know? Hopefully. So this is the An Thuong 34th Street, and look at this. Another vintage jewelry store. Is this a thing now? Vintage jewelry stores? What is that? There's another vintage store or something. Crazy. So there's just a sink here. All right. So this is a very popular street here, the Mai Tuk Lan Street. I will show you the sign right away. But yeah, this is also a popular workspace, 24/7, open. I cannot see anything, no loaf here. Alright, let's move on. If you want to play billiards or pool, Vietnamese take pool very serious. It's like, I think it's probably a very, very famous sport here. And pickleball is now too, very big. Brazilian barbecue. Maybe Alo went to the other Corgi. There's another Corgi here, another coffee Corgi. I don't know if it's so popular, this spa, or why there are so many motorbikes out there. It's kind of crazy. And this is open now too. Pizza Fritta and another coffee shop right there. And this, of course, Taxua, very popular beer place. Look at how many seats they have there. Very nice to have a big party. With 50-cent beer, and it is so close right here in the heart of the tourist town in Da Nang, in the An Thuong area. You have such a huge space. You can have birthdays or any kind of parties. We often go there. And they have like this typical Vietnamese beer tapas, I would almost say. Well, look at this. It's gonna be a big building. Big building. And I hope they're gonna hurry up with this one. I really want to see this hotel when it's done. Oh, look at this. They also changed again. There was some kind of restaurant on the left. Now it's only the coffee shop, I think, again. But it's also open very long. H Coffee. And we have the embassy here. An Irish pub. Sports bar. Look at this heavy machinery here on Christmas Day. They are working hard here. So as you can see, there's nothing closed. The only time people won't work is actually right during Vietnamese New Year, the Tet Fest. There will be no working going on there. Some coffee shops and restaurants will have staff, of course, but also it's going to be usually 25% extra charge because they have to pay them a third, 3 times the price or something. I don't know. Oh my god, there's a cat in the trash. Jeez. We find a loaf, a big loaf we have to find. Look at this. So if you're taller than 2 meters, watch out, guys. I mean, for me it's okay, I'm only 194, but you gotta be careful, guys. Also here, this will also break your legs. Okay guys, I hope they found her. I really don't know where she is. But yeah, this is how it looks today. There's another German, Harald. Yeah, it's dry, but it rained today, so keep that in mind. It will always rain. But when it's dry, it's okay. Let's look a little bit around here. Where is the loaf? I'm gonna go back to the coffee shop and ask if they found her. If not, and I will post this video. And everyone who's in Vietnam or in Da Nang, if you've seen a fat corgi, comment below. I will ask when she got lost, so I will upload it right away. So we need to have Alo back. It's also the name of the coffee shop, Alo Go Cafe. Okay, I cannot see her yet. There's only one other dog. She doesn't belong here. Where's Alo? Have you seen her? Alright guys, I hope this will go well. I cannot see anyone here yet. Hopefully they found her. When I'm gonna edit this video, I will also call Roman and ask him if she got found again or not. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're in Da Nang and you've seen something suspicious here in this street with a thick corgi, comment below. Or go to the Alo Go Cafe and let them know. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.